Ah, yes! I totally killed this level.
Hi, I'm Cat Noir. Nice to meet you.
I know, we've met before, and you're also on the news quite a lot.
Yeah. I was just in the neighborhood, and I thought I would drop by and see if you had any...
Excuse me. Those are mine. You do realize that you can't just come into people's houses and start eating their food, right?
Debatable. Anyway, thought I could join you. That's the new one, right? I want to play that so bad.
I only have the one controller, sorry.
Oh, don't worry, I brought my own. Always come prepared. Ready?
Don't you have some crime to be fighting or something?
Are you scared?
You're on. Take that!
Ah, come on.
Totally
I mean, I totally let that happen. No big deal.
I'm
I've
sure
just
you did.
you can thank me later, but little critique. Don't try so hard. Yeah. So for next time, just yeah, don't try so hard. Take it from me.
All right, sure. Stop trying to eat my snacks. Well, do you want something to drink? Milk, water?
I would love some milk. Famished.
All right.
Oh, I should really eat breakfast.
Don't eat my snacks.
She won't notice. So good.
Here's your... Did you eat all of my snacks? You've got croissant crumbs all over your mouth.
Why is Cat Noir? What's wrong? Frying sauces. Come here often? I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my god, I just washed those blankets.
Hey! Those are mine! Those are mine! They're not yours! Who do you think he is? Come to my bed. This is not my bed. It's Marinette's bed. Eating my croissants. They're not my croissants. They're Marinette's croissants. Who do you think you are? Huh?